Welcome back to another stream of Star Technology. Create logistics run. Only using Create, no Applied Energistics. So last time I ended the stream after I set up the production of Cantel coils. So the goal for today is to continue with the EBF upgrade, the coil upgrade, then make silicon ingot and stainless steel, and continue then with making transistors and the first HV circuits. And after that, we unlock the next page and get started with HV machines. First of all, maybe the circuit assemblers for faster circuit crafting, and after that the clean room. Okay, so first, before taking out the Cantel coils, that should be done, yeah. Okay, I will reduce it back to 16, so it's going to make 16 more for the EBF for the wafers. So, and then maybe after that I reduce it to 0, because we don't need that many anymore. Okay. I should actually build the terminal to speed up this building process. Can I? No. Okay. One sec. Right, I actually have the... I don't need to put in the lathe. I have the extruder here with the... No, that's the rings, that's the bolts. One is enough. And then put that into the lathe. Okay. It's the terminal. So instead of building these here manually by hand now, what I can just do is click the main block of the machine and structured formed, structured formed, structure formed, structure formed. Everything is built very fast. Okay, so stainless steel. We need tons of stainless steel for the next H, for the HVH. And invar we make, iron dust we also get from the ore processing. Then chromium is a bit... Let's see how much. I don't hear this thing running. Why? Okay, 1 second. I have logs, so this one should be running. Oh, why is there charcoal inside? But anyway, there... Oh. No. Okay, we have lubricant. It is connected to the system. Why is then this one here not requesting anything? It says 40 millibuckets promised items, but 0 are arriving. I just delete that. Ah, maybe it was just stuck temporarily. It should now immediately request more. Is it this one? Probably. Okay. That was a weird bug. I don't know why this just stopped. I hope we don't have these more often. That will be very annoying in the end game. When we have hundreds of machines set up. Okay, but we have 74 chromium, which is okay-ish for the beginning. But what we don't have is manganese, which is coming from I think I can make spessartine. Ah. I think this one I also had, right? Yeah. Yes, okay. So it is going to be this one here, which is going into the ore factory. With distilled water to make... Oh, it's also making tantalite. But I'm not gonna use that for tantalite for now. I'm gonna say that 2 of these make 1 of the dusts, and then send these into an electrolyzer, 3 to 1 manganese. Which, do we even have an electrolyzer set up for receiving that? Interfuge, but no, I don't think. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set one up here, and I'm gonna delete all the products. Or should I capture the oxygen and build a tank over? Nah, later. I have a plan for a big area for chemistry, but I will wait for setting that up until I have the large chemical reactors. And there will also be it will be connected to the fluid storage maybe on this layer. And then I will also upgrade the fluid storage with the super tanks, and then all of these machines that have these byproduct gases, they will send back the byproducts to the storage. Okay. Electrolyzer. Then item packager. Electrolyzer. Okay. Let's set up a small automation. Put the electrolyzer here as well. And let's see if we have... No, we need more drawers. this one out. Wait, first unlock that. Okay, let's see. Then this one is going to make this one, which is going to make this one. Hit the OR factory 2 to 1. Well, how did I set up this? Okay, I made it 2 minutes and no, that's an imacerator. OR factory I always sent 10. Okay. Then I sent 10 to make 5. And the OR factory. Let's say I always want 10. How much? I need 3 always, so then 9. But this one here, electrolyzer, 2 minutes. And manganese I want a lot. I want like 30. And this one is also counting the manganese which is going to be stored in here from processing the... Here, these, they have, yeah, 37% chance to get even more manganese. Okay, let's see. Is it pros? No. What's happening? There's distilled water. Oh, is that? That's an MB recipe. Okay. Then, before that, let me check. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna replace all of these now with MB. Just to have the increased speeds, everything. So, for that, a 4 amp energy converter and the MV energy hedges. So this one needs to be disconnected before I put everything here. Actually, I'm gonna remove that because I have the diamond lens already, right? Which is the one I need for these. So I don't need to sift anything anymore right now. I'm just gonna put them in the system and not yet put them in the arc furnace to recycle for materials. And then let's break that and replace this one. Okay, power is there. Get these wires. This one should immediately start. Yes, okay, very, very nice. Same as the, and I will also connect this one now. This one had MB as minimum requirement, so that's why it's open here. Okay. Both running, good. This is making everything, yes, and still running. This one is also working, so we should now see some pyrolusite and manganese. Oh, no, now it's gone. But this one I'm gonna quickly lock. Like that. And then the other dust can stay in there. So we should see that we have already... Yeah, okay. Good. This can go all back. Okay. So that means we got all the resources for making stainless steel. Okay, like that. Chromium is here. I can actually remove the Kanthal, but I'm gonna quickly pick up. I don't have anything right now. Because for these quests here. Okay, but then this, that, what else? Iron dust. Iron dust is here. I can also remove the this one. Also, actually, this all I set up already. This one as well. Okay. Okay, this one I'm maybe gonna still keep. I got this one set up. The pump as well. This one I don't need anymore. Okay, good. That was the mixer, right. So, need a few of these. Actually not that many, because most dusts are already set up on the board. So we got the Invar. Where's the Invar? I think maybe we made that manually, right? Yeah, probably crafted like that. So, but chromium is here. That means manganese still missing. And iron dust should also be here. What is this one here? Steel dust, okay. Yeah, and there. Iron dust. So, and Invar. No, Invar. We got manganese. What was it? Ah, right. Chromium. 4 of the iron, 3 of Invar, and the other ones? 1, okay. Goes to the mixer there. Makes 9. I give it 5 minutes. I want always... Let's say once it reaches 7, it's gonna make more. And then now we simply need to actually a few more of these, because no, I'm gonna immediately get all of them. I'm gonna set up the machine casing as well. Hey, hypercrafting. Hi. how are you doing? I'm setting up stainless steel right now to prepare for HV. So I think they make hot ink. No, they don't even make hot ingots. That's super easy. Four to 4, and I gave it 2 minutes. Let's say 3. I think they take a bit longer. Yeah. Okay. And then for now, make 12. We don't need that many. We mostly need plates and other products. Meanwhile, I finally have an automatic tree farm hard mode. Yay! Congrats. You built something like that, or like this gantry thing, or you built the rotating version? I have to extend this one here. Actually, I'm gonna just add here to the side. In the end, of course, these are gonna be extended up. Ah no, they won't actually, because I will move all of these away. But that comes when we have the multi-block setup. Rotating. This one. Let's say what? Wait, how much? 1 minute, okay. In the bender from this one. No, not here. This one I need a lot. I'm gonna keep 36, I think, from the aluminium. I also keep 36, which I can actually tune down now to yeah, 24. What are your next steps after the wood farm? Oh, here I forgot to, of course, set this to the EBF. Okay, but the stainless steel is being made. They should request new ones here. Yeah. So do we need... No, we don't need the wires, I think. But what we need is here. So 8 of these plates. Assembler. This one. In the circuit 8 assembler. Make this one. I'm gonna make 3. We need a lot. Ah no, actually not of this. Not of this one. We need a lot of the wool. Why can I not place this one? Okay. I cannot place a block on there. That's weird. I have to do like that. Okay, and they will be these holes. But I think I don't have gold cables set up, or do I? Oh, I have gold wires set up, but probably not gold cables. Wait, where am I setting up cables? isn't it? No, it is here in the assembler for rubber. And I'm going to add that over here because we need the gold cables for the HV components. No. These are made with gold wires. And then make also 16. Not 16 stacks, just 16. Good. And then, now, put the wire here. Put that one here. And then I think it's 2 plus polyethylene. 288, yeah. 288. No circuit. 5 minutes. 3, okay. But this one I want 3. Okay. I made a white circle and put 2 deployers at the edge, since I don't have enough redstone to make more. I'm also close to getting passive water. What do you mean? You mean you make the accumulator? The accumulator? Gold is such a pain to get. So I watched I don't know if you know the guy, this Average Greg Tech YouTuber. He started Star Technology yesterday. And accumulator is disabled. Gotta use the primitive. Oh no. Oh no. So, but what I saw in his stream is, I didn't know you could just do this bulk washing to get the gold. But this one is not working in the in hard mode. I should have set up just like that, like, instead of building the ore factory for getting gold. I didn't know it was so easy. So these should now be running, and I just have to wait. But in the meantime, let's first check the EBF. If right, okay, so we will probably get some overflow because it's trying to make stainless steel and Canther. That is actually going to be a problem. I am going to quickly deactivate the Canther thing until the stainless steel stuff is done, because Canther is really not important right now. So let's not make any of these and cancel all this one as well. That should cancel that for now, and then I have to still remember to not forget to turn it on again. I don't have full crushed ores yet. The only way I have to make gold is washing red sand. Right, red sand. Wait. So. Where is the... here. So you get the nuggets. Instead of crushed ores, I get ore chunks from sieving, and they only worth 4 nuggets each. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Okay, then silicon actually also needs to be set up. That is just silicon in circuit 1, and we have tons of silicon. And to not... So this EBF is running now with stainless steel, so I'm quickly gonna grab a bit of silicon. Can't take it out like that. Let's get a stack. And I'm sure we won't be making... Right, I need the countercoils. Okay. Or do we? Maybe we just need an energy upgrade. No. Okay. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna... Just to make a few... Just to make a few of these, I'm gonna quickly just take that out. And I'm gonna make 16. Should be enough for a few of the transistors. What do they need? They need 1 silicon plate for 8. Okay, okay. Good. They just switched over. So then first I'm gonna set up the... I need more factory gauges. It doesn't look good. Why are so many... Where are they going? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but this problem is solved very soon. Because we got this one. I'm already gonna mark that. Forget about the setup here. Okay. Good, now it's blocked. So, but these here... They're gonna block it again. Okay, good. Then this one out, this one. And you both go in here. This one goes back. Okay. So. Right. Silicon. And I need to set up that. Goes here in the bender. 1 to 1, yes. Make 10. And EBF. Ah. And What is this? Oh, right. Wrong mode. So, silicon setup. This will be hot silicon, which will be that in the CAN buff. 2 minutes. Make 8. This one, oh, other way around. 4 to 4 in the EBF circuit 1. Make 8. And this one should now be crafting. Good. But yeah, infinite water will help a lot since I can make clay more easily and turn it into terracotta and then red. Ah, okay, that's for the red sand automation. Every mechanical crafter needs a double gold plate. Oh no, and I need 49 of them because making bigger sieve mesh is 7 by... But I think once you get like the first automation stuff running... did you check like how expensive now these are? If you let it run overnight or something with the setup. Next morning you have everything. You have one more gold plate. One more double gold plate. I should not forget about this one here, I just saw. So, but do we have the silicon plates now? Not yet. Next step is to set up this thing here. Silicon plate, fine tin wire, and liquid polyethylene. I don't know if we have fine tin wire, but otherwise the rest is easy. No, it wasn't there. And we have tin wire. Okay, right. I will just move this up here to put the fine tin wire over here and set up the crafting like this. Make 16. And then what we need here is both of these ingredients and this silicon. Why we still don't have any? Okay, it had a few, but now maybe now it's making some. Okay, it's making one. It's very less for... Okay, wait. How slow is that in the... It's 20 seconds, okay. When is this one? Okay, pretty soon. Right. There was one more factory gauge missing to make the actual transistors. How many now? 2. Okay. That's good. Then transistors can go here. With one of that, how much? 6 of the wires. make 8. And how much polyethylene? 144. That's good. Make 60. And then we need to add which one? This one here. Oh, do we have the annealed copper bolts? Oh, it's making the transistors. Perfect. We have bronze. Okay, that's not what I need right now. So we have the annealed copper ingot, bolts, extruder bolt. Get me 16. How much is needed for one? Okay. Then I should actually get 24. And the fine gold wire as well. Fine gold wire is already 24. Okay, good. Fine gold wire is also here. So that's the bolts. What else? IC chip and RAM. IC chip is here, RAM is not. More factory gauges. Okay. Then what else? This one, transistors. Did I not just put on? No, I didn't, seems like. And these, okay, and then let's go make. Right, of course I have it here already. No, not these. This one needs 2. We need, I think, 2 of these as well, yeah. 2 of these. 8 of the bolts. 8 of the wires. And this one, 4. This one is made in the circuit assembler LV. So, and how many do we need to set up the other circuit assemblers? 2. Okay. So I'm gonna make 2 to be ready for the next. I will build them immediately. Immediately 3 in total to have for all the others. For all the circuits, 1 assembler. I have to monitor this a bit. Wait, what's wrong? No way, it was electrum wire. Do I have that real quick? No. Okay. That's fine. I need to set up electrum anyway for the HV components. So the ingot to the wires, to the fine wires. One is 2. 16. Let's see, HV motors. They need, yeah, the 2x electron wire. Oh no, this one I just did. Wire mill. Yeah, like that, and make 24. And then we need the fine electron wire. Change it to this one. And of course I need to put all the ingredients back to the system. Fine gold wire was for the no. That's still the old recipe. Okay. What's here is the stainless steel. Okay. It's gonna make a lot of silicon as well after that. What's so how are we? Oh, that looks very good. What's the electron doing? Nothing. Oh. Okay, first HV machines are replacements for these here. Or first for the bender environment. Not for all. But especially the environment seems like it's urgently needs to be replaced. Yeah, right. Another thing, which is very important, is lumium dust. Because that's required for superconducting. That, and then make wire mill that. I will send that to the parallel MV circuit 1 mixers. Even this doesn't require any circuit. But I will put it in here. This one needs glowstone, tin and silver. Silver... shouldn't we have some silver here? No. Also no glowstone. Glowstone. Silver. 1600 silver, okay. And factory. No, not these. Okay. Right. Then Where's the tin dust? Here. Okay. So let's say here. 3 tin dust. 2 glowstone. 1 silver, right? Yes, okay, and that makes 4 of these. To the mixer. And let's get 8. And I'm just gonna put it here actually. Make that with 4 the EBF. Let's get just 4, and they will be immediately turned into virus. Aluminum ingot to wires. Okay. Actually a bit more. Like that. Aluminum is also set up then. Now, did it make an HV circuit yet? No, okay. Still have to wait a bit. Because okay, now it should start make 1. Yes, alright. Okay, we have some Kanthal ingots. And some more is being made here, so I can quickly get these quests done. Some stainless steel right now? Yes. That quest is done. I should actually make this one as well. Even I'm not able to transport that energy. I can at least increase the buffer size. How is this doing right now? 48 million. This one is times 12, right? Yeah. It's fine for now. What's my neodymium? Okay, I have 15 now. Make more as soon as all the processing is done. Right now is what? Still stainless steel, okay. And after they made some... Oh, okay, that's the aluminum. Actually, I'm gonna take that out now. That's fine. I make some of that stuff in there. The Kanthal, right? This should work. Does it really require HV? Yes. Oh. Okay. Then... it's fine for now. I'm gonna... I think I don't need an upgrade to this one for power until this year. Yeah. Okay, and then I will just... I don't put any MB hatches here. I will put directly the HV energy hatches. Oh. What? I need this one for that. Right, that's a bit annoying. Getting the orange dye, the sulfuric acid. Okay. I need to set up a one chemical reactor that is not dedicated to a specific recipe to make these kind of things. And then also what else did I write? The chemical dyeing. It's done with chemical bath, HV1. Okay, not yet, not yet. Okay, this one is making the hot Canther ingots. Then the Canther, one of that. Oh, come on. Canther. And good. Silicon. Got one of that. Transistor. Okay, good. And now the HV ingot. Not ingot. Circuit. Alright. That means automation H. Alright. Yeah, first thing is this. And then actually before I get started making the clean room, I will immediately build this multi-smelter here. And this one, yeah, I'm gonna build two actually, because one is the electric furnace and the other one the alloy smelter. And since we need also a lot of electrum in this HVH, we need a fast alloy smelter as well. So I'm gonna put these two multi-blocks maybe over here, and put each gets in. How many? I think they can. They just get one HV, MV hatch. And then if I give them Canthal blocks, Canthal coil blocks, they have already max parallel of 64 ingots, but I'm gonna leave the setup like I got it there for the crate smelter. The rates are fine. Okay, let's remove that. This one as well. This one we got. This one is done. Aluminum should be made anytime soon. Silicon as well is done. These two are also done. Stainless steel is done as well. So then, advanced circuit assemblers, which needs the emitters, which I don't have any of. Okay, make two already. Let's see, can I make one? Yes. Okay. Then I will also build a 4 amp converter. Oh, now I don't even have the NB circuits, right? Okay. Just gonna wait a bit, but that process is gonna speed up very quickly, very soon. And this anyway here is just a temporary setup because they need to be moved into the clean room once it's done. Could I reuse that for something? No. No slow assemblers allowed. So magnesium is completely fine here? Yes, okay. I think we might have even less chromium than we have magnesium now. Yes, okay. And which is actually... No, we have here as well some chromium. Ah, right. Anyway, that soon we're gonna have these here, the multi-block upgrade kits. And then I will rebuild the entire ore processing setup combined with the one from with the other products that I'm still avoiding from the void miner. Here. They also need to be processed, which is now possible in HV. But I think okay, actually we got that one. And this one we also got. And what I'm talking about in the HVs, I think that yeah, right. Minimum HV. Do we need any of these for making the multi-blocks? I don't think. Cobalt. And these are just more resources of... Okay, the blue alloy. I should already mark that. Put it here. Okay, that's actually quite easy. But I need mixer circuit 2. And that's electrum. Yeah, okay. Not that difficult, but I have to build a new mixer. Okay, let's see. Can we get... Okay, we can. Then let's make one more of that. And already start changing this one. Set up some power. I think it was like that. And so is the okay. So it came from over there, which is not needed anymore. Very good. Okay, wait. So put it here. That connected with power. Can't reach it. Okay. Like that, and that should be done. Yes, okay. It's the one for the LV circuits. Then here is the MV circuit one. I have to... Can I already make another one? No. Oh. Can I make one of that? Of course not. So that kind of thing here I want to avoid, like... What is missing here? Right, this... Oh. MV circuits are missing. Because, yeah, here is like... Okay, let's get that out of here. That problem is what I'm trying to avoid by building one for each. So, let's get the packager. This one is MV. And a bottler. Right, I need a bucket again. I have liquid polyethylene one. But I need one with liquid tin. I hope it's being made in here right now. Yes. Turn that off. And let's wait. Let's put more. Okay. Anyway. How did I name this? Then that's MV. What? Now it stopped. And then this one here is going to be HV. Okay, good. Set up the liquid here. And how much time? Okay. And then keep one bucket in there. It is not bugged. Okay, good. Can I make that one? Can I make... I cannot yet. Okay, good. But that means I should already change the circuit production for... Alright, first I need to write down... First MV1. I want to go up there. Okay. HV. Change this one to circuit MV circuit. Okay. And then this one to HV in a sec. After I make one more. Why is this not... Okay, they're making motors. Oh no. Is it bugged again? What is this? I don't get it. What is happening? Why is this motor not crafting? I read it, the recipe. already once, I think. Okay. Let's redo that. Okay, how is an MV motor made? Magnetic steel, double cupo nickel wire, right? Yes. Which we don't have because the wire mill is probably working on other stuff. And right, it's 4, 1 of that. No, I don't actually need to set that up because the crafting recipe is gonna do that automatically. Okay, good. I don't know if that doesn't work anymore. Like why it works for the LV motor completely fine, but then it doesn't work for the MV one. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, let's see. Is it going to be bugging? I thought like there's a recipe incoming. I thought it was... Okay. Let's just make the assembler then. And let's see what's gonna happen. That goes here. Extract. Then I can also set up the... Oh no, the liquid is already set. Request HV1. 1 bucket. Okay. That sounds very nice. That means only this one is still missing. HV. Good. And of course change the destination here to H circuit assembler HV. No, not that one. This one. And now I will also change that to 6. This one to 8. Oh no. To 8. This one to 6. Because now each has their own machine. So I can start requesting a bit more circuits because they won't get in the way of each other. But first I'm still gonna check if the first one here has still some left over. No, nothing. Okay. All 3 are running, making a lot of circuits. Good. Nice, nice, nice. There's actually already the first few steps done that I was planning for today. And next is the multi-smelter. Smelter and alloy. After that, clean room. That's gonna take a while. But the smelter is so important right now. We need to get that done. This one can be gone, and... Right. Are the motors crafting? Probably. Because it has to make a lot of these, yeah. How much aluminum do we have? Oh, nice. Are they still running? No, they just stopped, so I can turn back on the Cantha stuff. 8 is enough. We already have enough coils to make, I think they just need 8, right? And then wall sharing. So I don't even need 16 in total. Maintenance hatches I have. I just need to make these. And let's see, what buses do we have? Right, I can actually just do a screwdriver and turn these around. Then I have the input bus and output bus. Actually, I just need 1. I will just wall share them. But the input buses, of course, need to be different. Maintenance hatches. And I think they need... No, they don't need muffler hatches. Oh, but they can have 2... I'm actually immediately... Ah, no, then I need an 8 amp energy hatch. Yeah, right. No, I'm actually gonna make that. The thing is, though, it takes... No, I'm not gonna make that, because otherwise I have to set up a power supply for them. And I don't need that much speed. I don't need the... For example, if I go here and check how to check the crafting speed. Like, for example, if I check Electrum. Because they also have parallels, so not only is it running at AMB and they... Yeah. No, I don't need. I don't need that. I don't need the HV version. I can just make a 4 amp one, and then I still have... I don't need to set up another power supply. Okay, that means 2 hatches. Let's see. Right, I need to make more of these here. And I had already 6 and HV circuits ready. That's so nice. And it's immediately gonna make new ones once it has the wires, which are a bottleneck right now. Oh, I think the wrench just broke, right? No. Yeah, the wires are a bottleneck right now, but that's okay. Gonna craft the HV wire mill. And for the other machines, maybe also some HV ones, because they are the ones that will be using the upgrade kits to make their multi-blocks anyway. So I need to make these anyway. Oh, again, oxygen is out. No flint is requested. Same problem happening again, or what? What is happening? Why is this happening again? Just fixed it last stream. Why are they so unreliable? Okay, just resetting this once. Which should be done automatically by setting this value. But yeah, seems like that is not always working. Yeah, I mean, did not really have big research oxygen supply problem. Still everything is like basically full. Okay, how's the lubricant doing? That's fine, okay. Alright. Then okay, that much of the invar. And of course need to, I don't have, here they are, but just 46 is not enough. Okay, that's definitely enough. Oh, okay. But I should anyway extend here for something that might go there. And now actually I need a bit more, and I need to also refill soon the wood supply. Okay. Let's get the chain conveyor going. Where is it? Okay. Oh, that was close. Connected. Okay. So these multi-blocks are not so difficult to build. I will build them on the same level as that. I think 3 high. That's already it. Then here goes the furnace. Here the alloy smelter. Can I connect the input here? Yes. One input goes here, the other one goes here. Output can go here in the center. The main blocks. Then power supply, maintenance hatch. I need one more of the energy hatches. And I need the tape. And that's hopefully anyway the last time we need that, because soon I'm gonna make these. Break the rest, and now first layer is done. Actually, I can just use the terminal now for the coils. Like that. And the rest as well, I need the heat-proof casings. Why the wrench? Still there. What's the hammer? Hammer's also there. Okay. Then let's set up the connection. Oh, why there's no frog ports? Main return. See what's wrong with the frog ports. Because cardboard is missing. Okay, time to refill. Because I still didn't automate that. Good. Can't make any more of these. Actually, I have so many of the invar frames I just saw, right? Yeah. Just need to make the casings now. And this should now be crafting? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Actually, I can also change this one already to the alloy smelter here. Then craft more. Why is invar not being made? This one is making wafers, good. What's the basic blender is not busy at all. Is it stuck again? Oh no. Yeah, okay, that's the last time. Last time it's gonna be stuck. All of the smelter recipes will be sent to the multi-block smelter. No more problem. And I will just delete this setup here. I will keep it for now, but yep. Once everything is working over there, I will just remove this entire thing here. Was there some invar in there? Not yet. This one is, oh, a stack of invar dust. Okay, where are these? All the ones requested. Okay. Nice. Let's see about the rock boards. Very good. How they're working. So then this one here is gonna be the multi-block smelter. And this one here is gonna be the multi-block alloy smelter. And this one here is just gonna return items. Damn it. Then they have to do an extra round. Power supply. Connecting it like that here. Okay, then I will just run the connection from there over here. Okay, I completely forgot to connect some wires. Has energy. Let's get more of these. That's the wrench gone. That's a new wrench. And let's get the smelter done. Invalid structure. Why? No. What is this? Why is there... Why doesn't it really show there's a muffler hedge required? I mean, I kinda knew it. That's why I was wondering before. But, oh right, I need to actually still automate these. I have all the components made automatically. Okay, that looks better. So let's see, if we take a stack of cobblestone, how much is it gonna do? How much energy? 32 at a time it can do. Yeah, okay. Yeah, as you can see, we don't really need the HV upgrade yet. We can make that many at once. It's completely fine. Alright, so let's wait a sec for... Okay, 25, that's good. Means the alloy one is done as well. Let's check if we take some... Should have some silver. And some gold. And these two together should be making... Yeah, that's it already. Good. Now, I need to change these recipes from the create smelter to the multi-block smelter. So, first of all, multi-block smelter and multi-block alloy smelter. Smelter. Get this. Okay, nothing is stuck here again. This one as well. Let's make a bit more silver. Let's make like that much. Where are the alloy setups? These are just some dusts. Why is this one? I mean, don't really need that anymore, because we don't need the vacuum tubes anymore, right? I'm just gonna leave it like that until something is stuck. So, but where is the alloy setup? The alloy smelter. Yeah, okay. So now it's the multi-block alloy smelter. And then also I can increase that to use that much. And I want more, I want 20. Oh, that takes quite a while for making these. Something stuck. This one has nothing running. Here as well. Here as well. So nothing is really stuck. So some resources are missing. Why is this one not making anything? Got enough of that. Everything is actually... Ah. Okay. Wafers. It's making the wafers, okay. Which is fine. I just let this run. Let's see, can I make this one already? No, because I didn't even set up the HV components. Okay. So before I continue with the clean room, HV components, because they are needed for all the machines. That means this one, for example, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so I'm gonna move this a bit over here. Now we also need the double aluminum, not aluminum, the electrum wire setup. That's this, and we need stainless steel and the double silver. Okay, so do I have silver wires? I think I don't. Okay, just gonna put that here. These walls, they don't have to be perfect right now, like they're gonna be all removed to their own buildings. So that's why I'm just gonna place that over here for now. This one is made like that. And these are made from silver ingots. No, we have that set up. But how do we have 16 wires? No, I really don't see that. Anyway. But 16 is a good number already. So let's get that over there, because we're gonna make 8 of the double wires. in the crafter. And the same goes for the electron wire. Awesome gate. These here, they need one more step in the rubber assembler. Actually, just 4 is fine. Okay. That means we have that, stainless steel rods in the lathe. That's stainless steel rods. Let's get 16, because we need some for construction. And put the rods maybe here. And I think that's all for the motor. So get the motor here. This one. This one. No, not that one. This one. And the steel. Crafter. And make 4. Then, actually I'm gonna move that up here. Then put the, right, this one. We need the stainless steel gear. The small gear. So, I'm gonna put stainless steel over here. And the small gear is here. From that, 1 to 1, right? Yeah. Extruder, gear small. Give it 2 minutes, right? Yeah. Make 4. That's the gears. And then actually I'm gonna move that back again, because I need to put the gears here. Plus more factory gauges. Okay. Then let's put, already making these, so it seems like that's fine. All right. Oh, stop. This goes here because I still need the plates. Connect to the plates, to the motor, to the rods, to this, and I think the gold cable are this time required. Yeah. Which are there. That's it. Crafter. Make 2 of these. Next up is the conveyor module. Need motors, gold wire, and where is the rubber sheet there? Make 2 of these. And lastly, the robot arm. The piston, need a motor. I think this one we also need. Yes. One of that. And the gold cable. Make 2 of these as well. Okay. So this one is still... Okay, that's a bit weird why we still have none of these chips. Oh. Okay, so... Why did I set that only to 12 millibuckets? Put at least 100 in here then. Yeah, they need 45. That explains everything. That's why it's making so many new silicon... oh, okay. Okay, everything should start running again now after these are done. Okay. That's the HV components. All automated. And this one is, yeah, completely... let's get an HV area set up, which is going to be very tiny, because I wanna make as minimum as possible, because immediately get the... I wanna start building the actual infrastructure with the multi-blocks. I am going to put that here on top. Just quickly here. How much is then 4 amp HV energy hedge drawing? Where is it? Not energy hedge, I mean the convert. 8000, okay, so this is already basically one of these wires. So running more than one machine could, or like running more than 2 machines could power fail others, which I'm going to connect here. But that is fine for now. So I'm gonna build when I build the actual setup, I think I will put an energy storage for each production room. Okay, why can I not? No, I can make that. So then... wait, I need... So here's the stuff. So this is main return. I should connect that actually to... Yeah, I will connect that. And build another one. And I will have the machines over here. Yeah. And get power from the back here. Okay, that's good. Let's start with the wire mill. Can't make that yet. Because probably not having the... No, I have the circuits. Do I have the... No, I don't have the motors. Okay, motors are still being made. And what I need is the packager. And wire. Ah, I forgot. I completely forgot. The packager. Not the frog board. and connect that. Plus the aluminum wire. Okay. Can I make it now? Can I make it now? No. Not that. HV. Okay, let it run for a sec. And the thing is, I need to... The problem is if I build this machine and then I can actually just name the packager the same, the frogport, and I think they will prioritize the closest one or something. At least I hope so. Come on. One more. Then we can finally have faster. Yes, okay. Perfect. Get this one online. And then that's the wire mill. Circuit 1. So stuff should arrive here. Yes. And of course, circuit 1. Yes, as you can see, the speed is definitely higher. Yeah, that looks way better. So now, this one here, if I rename that to that for a sec, nothing should arrive here anymore. Oh, I didn't have the achievement for the aluminum done. So I should quickly grab some cable out of here to get that one completed. Yeah. This one is probably just having some old stuff in there. Oh my. Yeah, how could this one keep up? Even this one is still too slow. Need to make the multi-block as soon as possible. Because the thing is, I'm gonna make immediately 3 multi-blocks to have one for the single wires, one for the double wires, and one for the fine wires. Because right now they are all made in one machine. Which is why it's gonna take longer. Okay. That means this one here is now obsolete. So I should be able to remove that. Good. Right now I don't really see any other machine having... Is this one just in there? Yeah, no other machine has bottlenecks right now. No problems here. Okay, good. What is being crafted here? Stainless steel. Okay, good. And how are they doing? That's fine. Okay, good. So, what was the next plan? Clean room. Alright, clean room. Let's get this one out. Before I do clean room, I want to do actually the auto maintenance hatch, because I want to have that maintenance hatch on the clean room. So I never need to worry about the clean room maintenance. That is just a simple, not very simple, but it is a normal craft, but expensive. But anyway, this is just gonna get crafted over time. I'm gonna need only one for now. And later gonna increase that to more. So this one we already got on the board. Then we need just these two here as inputs. And the auto maintenance hatch connected to the components required. No, this has to be two, because I need two for the assembler. And also for this one here. And this one here is just one. That's expensive enough, but alright, I should pick up some of the machine hull to get this quest done. Alright. And yeah, we're gonna make another converter, so the other quest is also gonna be fine. But clean room parts. Or should I make SMDs first? To make these ones cheaper. I mean... I need the... Right, I need the HV assemblers for that. Which, of course, I could make now. I have the things crafting. I saw the cutter was very slow actually, so since I'm making so many wafers. What's the HV cutting? Cutting advanced cutter. Red steel is do I need the vacuum freezer for that? No, I don't. Okay. And that is HV with Cantha. Okay, that's fine. And that is Blacks. Oh, that's okay, that's annoying. No, I don't want to do that right now. I'm gonna do that when I have the mixers upgraded to HV. I also need to make polytetrafluoethylene, but that's fine, not yet. I wanna have the clean room components automated because they take quite a while. Okay, they should be making more. I think they are now just busy making the components, right? No problem with any resources. Let's quickly check on the assembler. Not that we suddenly got a problem there. No, okay. So that's completely fine. This is making diodes now, which was just promised to the crafter. Okay. Just takes a bit until everything is made. So stainless steel rotors and item filter. We need to set that up because the filter casing needs a lot of filters. Also iron bars, which can I make that somehow else? Oh. Okay, I'm actually, before I said I'm not gonna reuse that, but yeah, I need to. I don't wanna build an expensive assembler just to make iron bars. Okay, this one doesn't need any buffer. Assembler circuit 3. And there we can set up now the iron bars. Where are the assemblers? Assemblers. So this one's circuit 1, 2. Alright, how did I organize that? That was 8. So it was 6, 5, 4. Okay, maybe this needs to be changed. So I'm gonna just put it here. Gonna increase the iron rod production. Where is it? To 18. So this one here is 3 to 4. In the assembler circuit 3. 3 to 4. No. And then make 16. So that's the iron bars, and then the filter is steel plate and zinc foil. Zinc foil is not set up yet, but zinc plates are, maybe? No. Seems like that's not. Zinc plates, zinc ingots. Maybe now the bending machine actually becomes a bottleneck, making all of these. Oh, why we have so many of these zinc foils? Okay, or did I set up that over here somewhere? No. Okay. Bender. Nah, that's too much. This one is 1 to 4, right? Yeah. So in the bender. But this one make 32. Because always 8 required per filter, and there's going to be so many filters required. Okay, and actually I need to make the assembler circuit 4 to make the frames now. So that means I'm gonna make another MV assembler. I'm just gonna make it HV. And I'm gonna put it here. No, that's the assembler. Okay, why it's not making any MV circuits? This one is fine. Diodes are not fine. Why is the diode production so slow? Liquid glass, annealed copper. What's the... That's fine. That's also fine. Liquid glass is basically nothing. Why is liquid glass nothing? We should have infinite glass. Oh, it's making that from glass dust. Wait. Can I not just... Yeah, I can change that to glass. Okay. But let's see if this storage broke now. If it was empty and then try to put some other fluid in there. Liquid oil, liquid that, liquid tin. Where's the liquid glass supposed to go? Red alloy, liquid glass. But here's liquid copper inside. That's supposed to go over there. Okay. Okay, good. That's why this... I still had this glass dust set up. Okay. Which should have been fine because, like, we have sand. We don't have sand. Okay, do we not have enough cobblestone or is this just running too slow? Cobblestone is fine. Could increase the speed of that. Or use the no, this doesn't have a multi-block. Problem is also no byproduct for clay and the flint. But clay I actually don't need, and flint is just for oxygen, which I can make in another way. Okay, but I don't know, maybe this one is actually pretty good. But no, I actually rather make the... What's the best way for... So I'm gonna use this one here in the end anyway. They need tons of gravel. Oh, okay. So is this doing all of these products? So from EV on, IV. Okay, until that I can wait. That's fine. I will just increase the speed. This can still go way faster, and so it's gonna be fine until IV. Okay. That means the circuits should be making. Yes. That also means I can quickly make an assembler. With Packager. Okay, whatever. I mean, I need one for the circuit board anyway, pretty soon, to automate parts for multi-blocks. Assembler, circuit board. Signalum. Okay. And, yeah, right, connect that back up to the output. Okay. So, assembler, here's 3, so here's 4. Get the steel rods to make steel frames. 4 to 1. Assembler, circuit 4. I need to still write that down. Let's make 4. 4 for now. Assembler, circuit 3. No, 4. 3 I'm not gonna write down. I think I don't really need that for other things. Okay, good. That's the steel frame done. The zinc foil is anyway was already had a lot. Let's make the item filters over here. So, right, the steel plates are over there. And like that. In the crafter. And we need at least 3, so make 6. And we need the stainless steel rotors. I forgot that. Was it making right now? Stainless steel. And then after that some steel. No. Stainless steel ingots we got here already. And to the rotor. Also make 4. I think I forgot to set up the HV pump. Ah, but this one is steel rotor, okay. Anyway. Just put it like over here to remember. Okay, good. That means the rotor is also here. This one actually needs MV components in steel rotor. Wait, steel rotor I didn't... Okay, I should have just set up steel rotors as well already. And steel ingots are here. Okay. Four. Everything is crafting tons of stuff. Is this actually still Oh, it's already starting to be a bit too slow. Okay, I will quickly add one more packager here. Just to solve this for now. Get the stuff faster into the main storage. And how... Okay, that still have a few slots, but not that many anymore. Okay, need the... This one was just needed to corrupt the clean room once. And this one as well. I should be actually... Yeah, I can make that for now. And... right, the... I forgot to put that over here. Okay, good. But now we should have everything. We got this one, that one, this one, that one, and the motor. Okay. And no, this is just the normal crafter. So I need a lot. I'm planning to build a bit bigger over here. So I will make 30 for now. And then maybe another 30. And then see how much I still need. Because first I need to take care of making plascrete and cleanroom glass. Cleanroom glass and plascrete. Okay. Which needs liquid concrete. Right. Which is a bit annoying to make. Stone dust with clay dust, yeah, okay. Clay dust is just in the macerator with the clay boards, and I have a lot of clay boards. Stone dust I can also easily make. And just need to connect the... Just need to have a mixer with water set up. But it's basically then... wait, does it need a circuit? No. And does it need... No, LV is fine. Okay, so I could technically put water in here and just use that. This is just needed for signalum, right? Yeah. So it doesn't really matter if water is inside here. Where do we get some water? Nowhere. Okay. Then let's get it from here. Can I actually get the jet boots now? Oh my. It is time. It is time. Okay. Put them in here. Let's get them charged. Yes, I know. Oh, yes, this feels so good. No more. Oh, now we are getting started. Okay, whatever. Okay, good. I'm gonna put these here to fully charge them. So it's the mixer circuitry which is going to make concrete, but the thing is, right now it is not able to output that anywhere. So right, I should put a tank. Okay, this I can actually build if the jet boots are charged. I can build this up there. I'm just gonna quickly get this one done. So need 2 bottlers. So like this setup here, I'm going to just call this fluid. No. Where's the sign? It will be just called fluid return. A wrench. Okay, so connect that to the network. So that's basically done. Everything, every time there's a fluid crafted in there, this one will pull automatically the fluid out and send it back to the system, while the other products are not gonna be affected by that. And then how much? Oh, they are already charged. Nice. So and then over here, bottler. And this one is supply. Yeah, supply liquid concrete. Storage. No, not storage. Stock. Stock link. And then now I need to make, first of all, I need to create a new bucket for automating recipes. And then set up in the mixer 3 clay dust and stone dust, which I still have to make. Am I making stone dust already? But okay. That will be liquid concrete, but that is of course not possible. Because I need to first make a bucket of liquid concrete to set the value in this gauge here. Why can I not put that? Okay, I need to move that then back down there. Okay, but stone dust is not really being made. It's always making 8 to 8, so I'm just gonna decrease that. And make stone dust and the clay dust. Stone dust from cobblestone. Okay, and keep a stack in the system. Then clay dust is gonna be made from... I cannot do that. Made from the clay balls. Macerator, like that. This one I just gonna have 32. And once that's done, I'm gonna fill the mixer with that. Turn that off for now, so I can extract a bucket. What are the filters doing? Okay, one is made. That's not much, but at least it's crafting. Bone dust, clay dust. That's enough for now. Let's send that back to the system. Okay. Let's move that here now. Why is that not possible? Okay. This one is made using these two and water, but water is already in the machine. 3 stone dust, 1 clay dust. Makes 576. 576. Mixer, circuit 3. Mixer, circuit 3. Let's keep 2 buckets in the system. Actually, let's make it 3. So then, that's done. I can make the plascrete. For that I need the polyethylene sheets, same as the cleanroom glass, which are made using the cutter of for the block of polyethylene, which is just crafted like this. I have these ingots. And I'm not going to craft it on this crafting wall, I'm just going to make that here on the cutter side. So I don't need to use so many factory gauges. Let's see what's the problem here. Okay, it's not making enough steel frames. Maybe because I don't have steel anymore. No, it has steel rods. Where's the assemblers? Here. Okay, they are supposed to make some. Did I forget to set the circuit? Whatever. Okay. That was that. So, polyethylene. Cut them into sheets. The polyethylene blocks. Crafter. Make 2 blocks. Actually, just make 1. And then they are cut into 9, I guess then. Yes. at the cutter. How long it's gonna take? Super fast. And then keep at least 10. So next step is to use these polyethylene sheets together with a steel frame over here. First, need for the concrete. And get the steel frames over here maybe, and the polyethylene sheets over here. Other way around then. And then make the plascrete over here with the liquid concrete and these two. Then it needs 6 of, okay, so 6 of that, 144 liquid concrete, and it makes 2 plascrete in the assembler, like that. This one we need a lot, but I'm also gonna make 30 for now. Same as the glass, but that just needs liquid glass instead of polyethylene. That 44 and that, and it's making 2, right? Yes. Also make, no, not yet. Assembler that. Did I set 6? Yes. And make 30 of these as well. Actually, maybe I should increase that to make 2. Okay. And this concrete bucket, I actually don't really need anymore. I think what else is made with liquid concrete? Light concrete, construction foam. Okay. Am I gonna build with light concrete? Oh, what is that? No, I'm don't really care, right? Okay. Very nice. All the components are now being crafted. At least I hope so. Or no, do we have a problem with... No, we don't. Everything is here. Why? We got this. We got these. The iron bars, okay. Is there a problem with the iron bars? That's supposed to be here. I set that up, but don't tell me it's an MB1. No, it has power. It has the correct circuit. It's a circuit assembler. What is that? Oh no. That explains everything. Okay, it's gonna make a ton of iron bars now, which is fine. So, clean room. I think I don't need that much space for the create stuff anymore, so I'm gonna put some of these black stones down here. Just in case I need more space. Then that should be plenty of space. But okay, and then actually I was planning to put on top of here the machines for the chemical reactors. Which I can also expand this way. So I can start building the clean room over here. Which is going to be on the diorite again, because it's some GregTech machinery. I think I didn't craft the maximum building range upgrade yet. No, how to wait. Can I just craft? No, because I don't have that. Because I don't have that. And because I don't have that. Okay, but let's make this. Okay, but I think I crafted a lot of bone meal. Yeah. Let's quickly upgrade the... Oh, there it is. Before I continue building. And actually I need more of these for one of the lenses. The orange diamonds. Okay. Now, okay, first this one, then this one. Purple dye. Right. I can make that, and then here's the blue one. Good. And I got that upgrade. Nice. So, wait, is that all of the andesite I have? Not andesite, diorite. Okay. Okay, why was this one not running? Oh, it was making andesite. No. Circuit 2. How much andesite? Oh, actually almost ran out of that. What's the next upgrade to make these kind of things? I think it was this one, right? The large rock crusher. Oh, which is pretty soon. Okay, I'm not gonna upgrade this infrastructure. As soon as I have these multiplex, I will make a few of the rock crushers. Not rock crushers, the... Wait, can I also make the cobblestone with that machine? Okay, good. Yeah, I can make the cobblestone with that. And I cannot make gravel, right? It's only done with forge hammer. Or this one. Okay. Anyway. I mean, this is pretty fast, actually. Like, I thought I have to wait now, but... Like it's making andesite. If I change it to andesite, it's gonna make that way faster that I'm gonna use that up again. Okay, that's good. Take these. And let's get the clean room over here. So I'm gonna build, I think maximum size is, yeah, 15 by 15, but that is a bit too crazy. So what I want to build is like, this one is connecting here, making a square again. So I want to have all the inputs and outputs over here. So that means I am going to build the clean room from here maybe. Okay. Let's make it like 5 in that direction. So that's 11 now. So 10 in this way. I think that should be enough of a clean room size. And then upwards, I don't need that much. Takes maybe one more. That's fine for the first clean room. Okay, and then here in the back can be the energy hatch, maintenance hatch, which I can actually already put down because I have one. Maintenance hatch and the MV energy hatch. So then yeah, here goes. I will bring, maybe I will actually put one more power storage over here to have one dedicated to the clean room. Redstone. Ah, right. And just use this alloy smelter here probably. That's way faster. Come on, come on. Yes. And I think if I just put the... Oh, I will need all the upgrades. Which I think I didn't automate the other one. What was that again? LV expanded. Expanded. This one here. I should be able to make this one as well already. Yeah. And this one here is the Lumium. Ah, but the... Oh, if I upgrade this with 2 energy hatches, I can actually... Did I make a 4 amp? Ah, right, but if I put 2, it's gonna draw 4 amps. Okay. That's fine. I'm actually gonna make this one here. I'm gonna require some signalum. Put them in small gear. Where's the... Why did I not make the... I didn't make it for the large gears yet. Why? Large gears are pretty important. Okay. Big side track. Make one more extruder. Oh, come on. Okay. Like that. Extruder gears gear large. Right? The other one is gear small, right? Gear small. Extruder gear small. Yeah. So I'm not gonna automate stuff right now here. I'm just gonna make the mold and then put the stuff in what I need right now. So for that, for this one I need, okay, this one I needs nothing. Then I need 8 of these. And then a lot more signalum ingots. First, let's make this one. This one was alloy smelter, right? Yes. So let's get this in here. Then get the signalum. And one more. Good. Good. That's one power upgrade. I'm just gonna switch it out with this one here. Like, it's not possible. No, it is. Okay, that's crazy. Yet I couldn't do that. And now I lost all the power. But okay. Let's get one here. Actually, maybe... No, I need to make more. Wire and connectors. Okay, until here. Then the power storage was here. Input, one output. There will be multiple outputs. That's the No. Okay. Connect that. Connect. No, I don't even have a converter yet here. Okay. Let's keep it in the inventory. Get more of the signalum gears. Okay, that's the upgrade for the storage here. So let's throw 1,000. Inside here, there will be all the laser engravers. There will be the cutting machine. And 3, 4 of the circuit assemblers. So I'm gonna build like the circuit assemblers. How much are they using when they run? Like for example, I make these 60. That's like, wait, MV is 128, right? So not even 1 amp. These machines will be the ones who run constantly. So that's at least 2 amps because I'm gonna have 4. And how many are these here? Okay, I have 3, which is gonna increase to 5. That's the cutter. I will go with a 4 amp energy hedge for now. And if it's really too less, I'm gonna upgrade to 8 amps. But if I upgrade to 8 amps, I need to upgrade this one as well, because 4 amps uses 8,000, right? Be 4 amp. Ah, no, what am I saying? HV 4 amp uses 8,000. That's okay. Then we are basically ready for an HV upgrade once we need it. Okay, so, but I need a 1 amp energy hedge, energy converter, or this one here. Is this one still connected? Yeah, okay. That's the power for the clean room. Let's see how much plus grid. Okay, that's good. But we need a lot more. And that means actually the clean room glass was gonna take out. And I'm gonna increase the plus grid to 50. Clean room glass to 40. What are the filters doing? Okay, increase that to 40 as well. Okay, I need more. Way more. But it's fine. Just craft them step by step. In the meantime, I have to, of course, set up here the conveyor logistics. So that's over here and that's over there. Chain. That's one too less done. Okay, good. So what I am gonna do, it's gonna be a bit weird, but it's at least not gonna use laser IO again. So I will set up. No. Oh, but this can also connect. Okay. I will set up a chain conveyor over here. Make this one more higher. And this one is gonna connect inside here. That's basically the wireless item transfer into the clean room. Not really wireless because it's literally wire, a chain. But I also don't want to use laser IO too much. Rather use the chain conveyor system. Okay, why are you stuck? You don't have steel frames. The rest is fine. Because steel frames is needed everywhere right now. And okay, let's increase it to 8 then. Steel rods are actually... Okay, then the lathe is the bottleneck, right? Not really, it's not really. Okay, items are constantly coming in. So it's okay. But yeah, some machines are... Even the single block machines are quite fast. So from... If I bid the HV variant or the multi-block variant, I need to definitely increase the batch size for these recipes. Okay. So, but the thing is, stuff is actually set up. I could now start with making these, but yeah, I need more. This is an entire different setup here with the fluid crafting, and I want to finish the clean room first. But I also don't want to just wait now. So wait, or can I? No, okay. No, I'm gonna end the stream for now. And let the world just run and craft these items up. I'm gonna set bigger limits here. I'm gonna make this 80. Because inside here is a 9x9, right? So 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. Yeah, that means we need actually 80. Alright. Minus, it's 9x9, 81, minus the clean room block. So that's that. And we need then a bit more, of course, of the pluscrete. So let's just make 100. And the glass make 80. And next time, these things should be done. And yeah, I can start setting up the entire clean room. So yeah, today Canthe coil upgrade, built in the multi-blocks. Then the upgrade with the circuit assemblers. First HV circuit, and making multiple of these HV circuits plus the entire setup of HV components, HV, the machine holds. We got the auto maintenance hatch. Yeah, a lot of preparation is done for the HVH. And next time, focus is going to be setting these here up, these more advanced circuits, to get immediately this first EV circuit, because I want to push for having these upgrades. And then the actual base is starting, building the actual real base. But yeah. Thanks for watching. See you then. Bye bye.